You know, sometimes you just gotta feel the music. This right here is the VolkanoX S600. And yeah, it sounds as bold as it looks. So whether you're vibing solo or throwing a full-on party, this thing brings the energy with 60 watts of pure speaker rizz. So not only does the S600 bring quality bass, but it also brings clarity. It's the kind of sound that makes your playlist feel fresh again. Whether you're cleaning, creating, or just chilling, the S600 brings the mood. Owning the speaker can be quite annoying because you go from just being a normal party goer to being the one that always brings the vibe. So be prepared to catch all the invites to all the parties. I know, right? Being popular, it's so annoying. Along with the good vibes comes 2 RGB modes, so you can accommodate for whatever mood you're trying to achieve. I think we can agree that you deserve the best service. You're important. So with the S600, you can enjoy hands-free control with the built-in voice assistant. It's basically like having your own butler. Play my song, James! Play my song, James! To me, there's nothing worse than being the speaker DJ and your phone dies. That's one way to go from being popular to not the vibes real quick. But with the S600, it doubles down as a power bank, so you don't have to worry about losing your popularity status. This is where things get pretty wild. What's better than one S600 speaker? Yep, 2 S600 speakers. With the TWS, you can pair 2 S600 speakers to bring double the sound, bigger the vibes, no matter where the party is. One of the best kind of parties is a pool party. And with the S600 and its IPX5 water resistance, this speaker handles splashes like a champ. With up to 7 hours of playtime, you'll probably tap out before the speaker does. The Volkano S600 isn't just a speaker. It's your personal hype machine, loud, smart, and stylish. And it goes wherever you do. So, are you ready to become the life of the party? You can get this Volkano S600 speaker today with the link provided in the description. So let us know in the comments, what song are you playing to bring the vibes to your next party? Sorry, I've got a party to get back to.